same can be said about music. Every voice make a positive impact to be a reminder of our unity in diversity.
That's why the Motsepe Foundation is honored to present the Record of the Year, a category where the true winners are the voices of the listeners who cast their votes.
And to the winner, congratulations. Your music has not only not connected the country, but united us in the soul.
And the nominees for the Motsepe Foundation Record of the Year.
The nominees, please.
In the Motsepe Foundation Record of the Year category, the nominees are Umthandeni SK, Paris, Zizwele, Strava and Big Zulu, Umbai, Basi and Amos, Izenzo, Sam Deep, Angelic and Amos, Iskubu, Tunzi and Kabza the Small, Imitandazo, Tyler, Water, Zaba, Sykes and Lala Tubzin, Iplan, Kabza the Small and DJ Maporisa, Nanatula, Mass Music and Daliwonga, Gangnam Style, Murumba Pitch, Lady Amar, JLSA and Sisi, Hambachuba.
And the summer goes to Paris by umthandeni SK Ndlonkulu.
Ehlula sama30. Ehlula sama30. Phasa mzetsheni.
Ehlula sama30. Ayaya sama30 ayaya. Ayaya umthandeni SK ayaya. Ayaya inkosi yamaskandi ayaya. Inhliziyo yami kusha. South Africa. Siyabonga kakhulu ngane zakwethu. Unfortunately umthandeni awazange kuba khona la. Siyaxolisa kakhulu. Kodwa siyabonga kakhulu South Africa. Abavotile abavotele ingoma iParis. Sibonga kakhulu abalandeli bonke bomculo wamaskandi, umculo wonke eSouth Africa. Sibonga bonke amabhinqa, ama-Red Nation, bonke abasupportile. Siyabonga kakhulu. Singakhohlwa ngithanda.
uJesu athi umthandeni inkosi yomaskandi.
We are the best.
uJesu athi umthandeni